me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So obviously, as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this blue hair color. What I use today is this Arctic Fox Aquamarine dye. It's a semi-permanent dye that can last up to 40 washes. I personally am not going to keep it in that long, so I will have a video in the future coming about how I remove the color from my hair. But if you are looking for something long term, this is definitely what you're looking for. So this is a very easy tutorial. You could do this in less than an hour. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start by putting on some gloves, and I'm gonna use also a wide tooth comb. You may want to put a towel around your neck if your hair is longer, just so you know you don't stain your clothes or anything. So my hair is freshly washed and patted dry, and I just put some leave-in conditioner in it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna rub this all through my hair. Okay, now I'm gonna take this wide tooth comb and just comb through just to make sure that it's evenly distributed through all my hair. Now I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes. Also, if you have a hooded dryer, you can sit under the hooded dryer, like cover your hair with a plastic cap and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes for better results. So yeah, I will be back in 30 minutes. Okay, so here's the final result. As you see, it's kind of lighter in some places and darker in other places. I don't know how that happened, but that's why it's really important that you comb through it and massage through it just to make sure that everything is even, because this will happen. Me personally, I don't mind because it doesn't look bad, but if you want it to be all one color, you want to make sure that it's really in there evenly. So yeah, pretty easy. I left it in for 30 minutes, washed it out with just water, and yeah, it's supposed to last 40 washes, up to 40 washes, but I'm not leaving this in for 40 washes. So I'll have a video coming soon about how I remove color from my hair, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see pictures, of course you can follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.